So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I will be showing you lots and lots of tools on this website called tinywow.com. This site is a very great site. Why I love this site is its ability to bring in many features together all in one place. Talking about the PDF, talking about image, talking about writing, video, file and stuff. And if you read from here, it said free tools to make education simple, to make everything simple. It means this is good for business people, for your life, for students, for anyone at all that loves the internet. So you don't have to pay anyone this. This site is totally free. From here, you can see the first call to action says you can remove background from image. But let's just see what's here, because I will not be doing anything too that superb, but I believe you can try this and get it done. First of all, I'll be going on a dark mode if I feel. So now we have a dark mode so that we can see everything well on the screen. You can come here and search what you want. So search anything you want. But first of all, look at the PDF we have. You can edit PDF in this website. You can convert PDF to Word, JPG to that's from picture to this. You can match PDF. You can come here and do other stuff from here. You see from here. Okay, let me just try either screen so that I have go one step backward. Let's go back there. All right, so at the PDF I was explaining something. You can create PDF without paying anyone or subscribing to any stuff. So PDF to JPEG, compressed PDF. You can see on the screen a lot of things. At the image tab as well, we have restore photos, profile photo makers, remove person from photo, extract text from image, AI image generator. The image generator, a lot of people have been looking for. This website asks it. It means you can just come here and generate AI image all for free. We have the blur background, we have colorized photo combined, we have other stuff from here you can see. Then we can write as well. You can come here and decide to write, paragraph writer, sentence rewriter. It means you can copy some text and say, hey, rewrite this for me. Essay rewriter, article rewriter, free headline generator, frequently asked question generator, real estate description, loads and loads. And oh, this is really amazing. I think this is something everyone should write. Then all AI write. You can decide to write with this and just enjoy the fullness and the beauty of this website. So next thing here is at the video aspect. You can decide to compress video, video to GIF. You can trim videos. Then MP4 to MP3. You can audio to edit. You can resize videos, extract audios, MOV, that's the file type from videos. You can convert different file type when it comes to video, MKV to MP4. You can download Facebook videos all by copying the link to this place. Same as TikTok videos, you can download them without watermark. All you can see here, you can download them. So I'll not be taking my time to explain all this because I believe this site is crazy and it's totally free. Trust me when I say this. Then at the file, you can split CSV, that's comma separated values, Excel to PDF. You can do all the conversion you can see on the screen, and that makes it very beautiful. Now from here, let's just see at the video aspect. Maybe we'll just find click on this YouTube and see what we can do at this YouTube's aspect. So let's see what we have here. We have TikTok download, we have some other stuffs. Facebook download. I will not be going to my Facebook. I just want to leave this audio to test. It means you can, I like this aspect that talks about audio to test. It means you can copy audio here and just do some stuff. Copy audio and change it to test depending on the audio type anyway. So now, right, you can just come here. Let's see if this can generate Facebook headline generator. Paragraph rewrite this. Let's come to the PDF and see if there's something we can do just to see how the website looks. Then at the image we can blur background. Okay, let's just see the blur background if it won't take our time, or colorize photo instead. Okay, let's click on blur background. It's going to open anytime soon. Then we'll just copy any file and just see if it's free. Then now from here we'll believe this is applicable to those guys using smartphone device. Any device you're using, you can just come to the website called tinywow.com. So upload from your PC. Then I'm going to upload any photo of my choice. Let me just see from here. This one doesn't have background. Okay, doesn't have background. Let me just see my desktop. Let me see my desktop. Let me see this guy and see if I have anything. Okay, let me use this guy. I just downloaded this guy. Let me see if I can blur the background as well. All right, please check capture. Let's just see if this doesn't take much time and we're good to go. So verify the stuff. Capture are important to. They just want to know if you are a robot. But if you're not a robot, it's going to get verified soon. So sometimes network can be frustrating anyway. If you're joining me on this channel, I'll be talking about 600 AI tools you will need. Trust me, you will need. That is why I advise you subscribe so that you don't miss anything from this channel. How it works, I'll be showing how it works. And imagine you knowing about 600 AI tools. You become a very, very beast of marketing, beast of anything. You are so awesome when it comes to the internet. And I advise you turn on the notification bell so that you get notified as well when I make videos. If you want to join my Telegram channel so that you get daily update, trust me, you can just comment at the section and just say, add me to your Telegram. And I'll send you the link instantly. So, all right, I've bypassed the capture. Not going to take much time, I believe. Then over here now, I could just drag this slider and just make the blurring depending how you want it. So you can blur the background. Then when you go to, you can just hit on download and you're good to go. So now we have that. Most time when you go, just right click on this should be able to save this image. So you can decide to save image immediately by right clicking or hold down on your phone and just save the image. But if you feel like signing up, that's the best option for you. You could just go up and just hit on sign in and just download the stuff. All right, so I believe I've talked a lot about all this and you've really I saw remove password. Wow, that's great. That's really, really great. Then at the right, let's see if we can write anything. That should be the last thing I'm doing right now. Writer, paragraph writer. Let's click on it and see. But we know since the existence of writer has come, ChatGPT is here, Bar.Google is here, a lot of stuffs are out there trying to tell you, hey, ask chat to write for you, and it's writing. You know ChatGPT already that can help you write all things you want. That's good for people who are into KDP. You want to make money in dollars, you could chat me up so that I'll put you through on the aspect of writing. Yes, and writing is very important because me myself, I do more of writing as well, you see. So I've been making some books here on the KDP dashboard. That's writing. So you can come here and just put a topic and say I want to write about sex, depending. Someone will say, hey, young man, why that? All right, so let's say how to make money. So I'm going to put in how to make money here. Then I'll just come in the side. I'll come to this place and just say, hey, topic, then tone of the voice. I want it. You want it to be bold, sarcastic, excited. Someone will be excited, so I'm going to hit on generate. Then we'll just wait for this capture to get off. Since I'm not signing in, I told you it's totally free. There's no way. If you hit on tired of captures, it means you are going to pay. But we're going to just wait a bit and we have this all done. So now we're done generating. We have this. Are you tired of to embark on a thrilling journey to financial freedom? The essence of this website is not just to tell you that it can do some magic. I'm not affiliated to this website. It's just for tutorial purpose. Just you can do a lot of things. You don't have to pay anybody to do this for you. You can just come here, compress your video instead of paying a video editor. You can come here and write some stuff instead of looking for a writer. Image, you can decide to remove background, blur background, colorize photos and do some stuff. Then at PDF, you can just convert instead of paying some kind of a huge website to do some conversion for you. They are all in this place. They are all in this place. The file, you can split CSV, you can just come to image as I've spoken, generate image, generate any kind of picture you want, and you're good to go. I believe you enjoyed this tutorial and you've added to your knowledge. In case you learned anything, just give me a thumb up and just say thank you on the comment section or anything you like to put there. I'll be very, very grateful. I'll see you on other AI tools I'll be talking about. Thank you for subscribing.